Hey, what's up everyone? This video is about the tension strap I bought off of eBay for your convertible E30. As you can see here, I'm pretty much looking around, making sure I know what's going on. Kind of like scoping the lay of the land, if you will. Want to make sure I know how things go before I take them off. Don't want to be screwing things up. Step back, take a look at it again before you start taking stuff off so you don't screw it up. So just make sure you're ready. Here you can see the front of the straps right underneath this tab. You can see some of the rivets that you're gonna have to take off. Make sure you have a 1/8 of an inch drill bit for hard material because you're gonna need it. Here you go. Again, rivets. These are pretty much rivets again. And here is where the screws are at. Really small Phillips screwdriver. I ended up having to drill out of it. Then back over here, it's going to be taped. Here I'm going to show you what it looks like without the rivets now. I started by doing the front bar, drill right through it with the 1/8 drill bit. Did this as well, this one, and then I moved to the back. I'm going to show you how it looks like. There you can see 3 rivets on there, and then this one bar I need to also unscrew. Here's a better look at the 3 rivets I was talking about. Make sure your power tool is fully charged. Here are the rivets that I used. They're 1/8. There's a 1/8 drill bit and a rivet gun. Make sure you save these washers when you drill out the old rivets. You're gonna need them when you put the new rivets in, as you can see here. All right, screw on time. There goes 1, 2 to go. There goes 3. All right, once the rivets are removed, you can go ahead and pull out the strap. It's gonna be, glued a little, but pretty easy to come off. Make sure you clean the area after you pull them off on this side and the other side. And again, remember how you're doing it so you don't screw it up. So one of the biggest differences is very noticeable is the width of these straps. The original one is about 2 inches. The one I got off of eBay is about 1.5 inches. So you'll see how that's gonna play a role when we have to install it. Start by hooking up the front, but make sure you use the rivets in the back. You're only gonna be able to use 2 of them because of the thinness of the strap. Once the strap is secure in the back with the rivets and in the front with the pin, make sure you secure the rest of the strap with 1 rivet at a time. The strap is a little thin, like I said earlier. As you can see here, ended up having to drill through the bar. It's gonna take a little longer than expected, but it worked. After this comes the fun part, which is the convertible top. If you want to see that video, leave a comment below, and I'll try to upload a video on how I did the convertible top on this E30.